In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up Anytype in 2026. We'll go through the setup process from start to finish in a simple, clear way so you can get your workspace ready and begin using it confidently. First, head over to the official Anytype website at anytype.io. Once you're there, download the installer that matches your device, whether that's a computer or a mobile device. After the download finishes, open the installation file and follow the normal install prompts on your screen. This part is usually quick, and once it's complete, you'll be ready to open the app for the first time. When the application launches, choose the option to create a new vault. This is an important step because your vault is where your information will be securely stored. Anytype is designed with privacy and encryption in mind, so the setup process is built around giving you direct control over your data. Next, you'll be shown a secret recovery phrase. Take your time here and carefully write it down on a piece of paper. Store it somewhere safe that you can access later if needed. This matters because Anytype is encrypted, and this recovery phrase is the key to your data. If you lose it, nobody can reset it for you, so it's worth being extra careful at this stage. After that, set up your main space by choosing a profile name and adding an avatar icon if you want to personalize it a bit. Then click Continue to move forward. This helps give your workspace an identity and makes it feel more organized right from the beginning. Once you're inside, spend a moment exploring the dashboard layout. In particular, look at the left sidebar, because that's where you'll find key areas like your pages, sets, and widgets. Getting familiar with this layout early on will make the app much easier to navigate as you continue using it. Now create your first note by clicking the plus button in the sidebar. Choose a page template that fits what you want to make, then add your title and your text. This is a great way to test the workspace and start building your system right away. Finally, if you want to sync your notes across multiple devices, open the settings area and select sync. A QR code will appear on screen. Scan that code using the Anytype mobile app to connect your devices and enable syncing. At this point, your Anytype workspace is fully set up and ready to use. Thanks for watching and enjoy building your secure digital second brain.